Meet Tripti. She is a local businesswoman. She was having a trouble finding digital marketing services that she can afford. She searched hard for reliable services. Finally, she found Shopweb. Shopweb offers search engine optimization and social media optimization with an affordable price, and you'll reach a target audience which improve your business growth. Let's see, how does it work? If you want our services, then visit our website. After that, contact us. That's it. Your digital marketing services is ready. Now, Tripti is happy using Shopweb services. If you want more services like that, then visit our website www.shopweb.in.